last class we have discussed about some of the visualizations like stacked bar chart okay or a clustered bar chart kind of thing. Everything will be remain same. Just there is a horizontal or a vertical. If you have a more than one measure, all the measures will be displayed in a same same bar. If it is a clustered, in the sense it will be displayed in a different bars. That's what we have discussed. We have left only a one property, that is a concatenate labels. Let me show you one of the scenario we can use, that is a useful one. Where we can use it, concatenate labels. Just the x-axis country name, then I want the sales amount. Under the values I have a sales amount. Let me arrange based on a country name. By default we will go for a based on a value wise. I don't want a value wise. Based on a country name wise. Either ascending or descending, and I want it. Now I want it. However I want it, United States, all the 3 year sales I want. I want the United States, I wanted 3 bars. Then I have a refining country. I have yearly wise I want to be displayed. That means I want it dual axis. Now we are getting a United States like this. I want the year also. For every country I want the 2 axes. One is the year, another one is the country. I want both the axes. I want it in a x-axis, both I want to show it at a same time. For example, let me year. Let me add year as well over here. If I add a year, it will go for a hierarchy. Like if you add a more than one over here, x-axis level, it go for a hierarchy. I don't want a hierarchy. Both I want to see at a same time. So you can expand it like this. This is the option we have, expand it. Now we can see United States. What is the 2017 sales? United States 18 sales, United States 19 sales, United States 2020 sales. Again UK it will come, then Germany it will come. Now I don't want it like this. So all the country, country name I want a one time, then yearly wise I want it. Here we have a France. France kind of thing. Let me add, increase the font size, x-axis font size. France is there. So like this I want, one time only I want to be repeated. I don't want all the times to 17. France. Then I have a Canada. For this one we have go for a x-axis level. This is the property we have, concatenate labels. You can turn it off. One second. Now we can see over here. Like this I want it. Just I have arranged a ascending order, or descending order. Australia 18, 17, 18, 19 sales. Then Canada 17, 18, 19, 20 sales. France, now I have a dual axis kind of thing. I have a 2 axis, or you can add a one more value also over here. Like this is a concatenate labels. Earlier all the Germany 2017, Germany 18, Germany 20, like this it is coming. I don't want like this. This is what this kind of thing I want it. This is a dual axis. Now I can able to see 2 axes. Earlier only one value I can able to see in a x-axis. Now here also I'm able to see, country also I'm able to see. Like this we can able to see. In this case we can use it concatenate labels, either turn off, turn on. If you turn off, in the sense the country name will come for all the times. I don't want like this. I want to separate it like this. Is what about a, we have a concatenate labels. All the places we have this property everywhere. This is how we can see look and feel different way kind of thing. This is what we have a concatenate labels. There is an important property sometimes. How we can achieve this kind of thing, how we can add dual axis kind of thing. We can use a concatenate labels. Under x-axis level we have a concatenate labels, guys. Now we will see 100% stacked bar chart. So either a stacked bar chart or a column chart, both will be remain same. Country name. So what are the value it will be displayed, will be show it always 100%. Every bar it will be display a 100%. The name itself, it is a 100% stacked bar chart or a 100% stacked column chart. Like this, it will be display. Okay, everywhere it is 100%. Now I want it. Let me drag yearly wise into the legend. Okay, so which year I have a more sales? Okay, so I have, if it is a okay, yearly wise I want the sales. Okay, so it will display percentage wise. Okay, 20 year 26%. Okay, in a 2019 I have a 58% for, okay, the sales amount is came. Okay, in another year 2018, okay, it is a 15%. Okay, like this it is a towards 100%. If it is a single measure, it will be display a 100%. If you have a two measures, I don't want here this one, total sales. Okay, product category wise, which product wise I am getting the, what is the for, okay, for sales amount, okay, percentage. If I use this thing, okay, so here how much percentage we are getting for a accessories? Okay, what is the amount for a bikes? What is the amount for a clothing kind of thing? Okay, 2% is in a clothing. Okay, most amount the sales is coming from a bike. Okay, 92% is from the bike. Okay, then the sales for a 4% from a accessories. Like this, we have a 100% stacked bar chart. Okay, if I have a two measures, okay, out of the two measures, which one is the, okay, how much percentage each one? Okay, so product category wise I want the bikes. Okay, I am selling a three different product categories. Okay, one is the bike, okay, accessories or a clothing. So how much percentage? Okay, if I am getting 100 amount, okay, so for a bike it is a 70 is coming. Okay, 20 from a other one, 10 from a other one. Okay, so you don't want to calculate any percentages over here. Automatically the name itself, okay, it is a 100%. Okay, so we have a 100% stacked bar chart kind of thing. Okay, everyone it will be display what is the percentage over here. Product category wise, I want to see what is the sales amount is. Like this we can use it. Okay, stacked bar, so okay, 100% stacked bar chart. Okay, the properties will be remain same as the entire row. The properties will be remain same as it is. Okay, we don't have any extra properties over here. Okay, all the properties will be remain same. It is a 100% stacked bar chart. Most of the times, okay, these four we can use it. Okay, 99% of that times. Recently also interview point of time they will ask it. Okay, I have a last year and this year sales. Okay, which bar you can use it for a comparison purpose? If it is a comparison purpose, clustered bar chart we can use it. Okay, why? Because side by side will come. Okay, last year and this year. So easy comparison purpose. Either we can use a clustered bar chart or we can go for a, okay, line chart also. This is what? Okay, we have a line chart. Okay, based on the requirement, we can use it whatever the visual they want it. Okay, so we don't want to, okay, decide it which visual they want it. Okay, they will tell that which what are the visuals they want it. Okay, based on that we can decide it. Okay, we can use what are the visual they entire this row also it will be remain same as it is. This is also a line, this is also a line, this is also a line, this one also a line. Just look and feel is a different, that's it. We have a line chart or we have a, sometimes they will ask it, okay, I want to be display my sales amount in a bar. Okay, profit in a line chart. We have a combo chart. Okay, both I want to be display line and a, okay, we have a line or we have a this much. Okay, we have a combo chart. Bar and line also you can combine it. Always we are using, okay, country, okay, sales amount kind of thing. Okay, just we are discussing about the what type of visual it is. Okay, in a real time cases. Okay, so if we have a data, any kind of visual we can use it. Okay, based on a country wise. Okay, I want the sales amount kind of thing. Okay, which country is getting a more sales kind of thing? Let me add one more thing, profit percentage as well. Okay, any number of lines we can use it. Okay, well, comparing with that one, okay, the line is very, okay, let me go with standard cost. Okay, so what is the, okay, standard cost kind of thing? Okay, so I have a standard cost and a, okay, sales amount kind of thing. Okay, now I want to be, okay, showing a line graph kind of thing. This is what we have, a line graph. Okay, so just we can access x-axis, then we have a what is the value we want it. Or I already told you, okay, if you want to legend in the sense, we have to use it this one. Okay, I have a country wise sales, I have a total sales. I want to see product category wise how the values are there. Okay, in this case you can add it. Okay, so now it will come, three lines will come. Okay, I have a three lines now. Okay, however you want it we can use it, or we can use it, okay, yearly wise. Okay, what is the 17 sales, 18 sales kind of thing? We can go with a legend as a year. Okay, so this many lines will come. Okay, one of the value we don't have a value, it is come. Okay, 17 sales, 18 sales, 19 sales, like this it will come. Okay, 17 we don't have all the country sales, that's what it is coming very slow. Okay, so we have a multiple lines will come. Okay, same value I want to display yearly wise. Okay, 17 sales, what is the 17, 18, 19 sales? Okay, like this it will come. Okay, however you want it, we can use the lines over here. Let me remove 2017. Okay, we don't have all the year values. Okay, like this I have a line chart. Okay, so what are the properties we have? What are the value you want to display in a line wise? Okay, general will be remain same, legend will be remain same. This is nothing but a legend. Year, okay, where you want, which color is the which year sales? Okay, so I want it. Okay, which year is the which line sales kind of thing. Okay, here we have a where you want to be display your legend and all. Then we have a x-axis. This is same thing, x-axis. Okay, what is the category? Okay, what is the type category? Okay, then what is the color? Okay, font size, family size. Okay, width. Okay, this all we have seen. Okay, concatenate level also, here also we have, just we have seen. Okay, if we want two values we want to display, we can go with a, okay, concatenate levels kind of thing. Okay, this is a normal properties, x-axis, then y-axis also remains same. Okay, in this one we have a one important property that I will show you. Okay, so either you want it where is the start value, okay, decimal places, however you want it. Okay, titles are if you want it, grid lines if you want it. Okay, however you want it, we can display your y-axis level properties, all the things. Okay, these are all properties are common all the places. Okay, we have a secondary line also. We don't have any secondary line. Okay, let it be. Okay, the slider option we have. Okay, zoom slider, the left side we have a, okay, if you want to adjust it your scale, okay, already we have the slider will come. Okay, if you want it, we can add it a zoom slider. Okay, then we have a data colors. Okay, which line you, what color you want it, we can change. Okay, the line colors, if you don't feel look and feel, okay, better, we can change it. Okay, the line colors over here, data colors. Okay, data labels and shapes, we have a one of the important properties for this one. Okay, data labels remaining places will be common, but here we have a one of the important property. Okay, and a line places I want a, okay, this values I want to display like this. Okay, the data labels I want, the numbers also I want to be display at a label level. Data labels we have here, we have a customized series. Okay, display units will be remain same. Okay, decimal places it will be remain common. Okay, the position where you want it. Okay, auto. Okay, position where is there, above or under. Okay, up top of the line I want it, or below the line, wherever you want it. Auto in the sense based on the space. Okay, okay, it will be display the values. Okay, font size, family size will be remain same. Okay, show background if you want a show background for the values. Okay, I don't want any background for the values. Here we have a custom series. Custom series in the sense I have a 3 lines over here. For only one line I want to display values, remaining values. Okay, remaining 2 bars I don't want a values. That is a one thing. One line I want in a dotted line, remaining 2 lines in a thick line. Okay, this is an important property. Most of the scenarios we can see this kind of requirement. If I have a 2 lines, okay, one line I want in a dotted line, one line I want a thick line. Otherwise, one line I want a data labels, another one I don't want a data labels. Okay, data labels means the numbers I want, don't want it. This is what we have a custom series. Don't forget it. Okay, most of the times in a real-time cases we can see this kind of requirement. Okay, so we have a custom series. Okay, here I have a 18, 19, 20 sales. Okay, 2018. Okay, however you want it, either you want to display the values or not. Okay, for this one 2018 I don't want to display the data labels, so you can turn off this, or if you want it you can go ahead like this. Okay, then what the color you want it for that one. Okay, the background color. Okay, for the different one, different color I want it. Okay, so we can okay, change the colors over here, decimal place, position where you want to put, font family, background color kind of thing. Okay, we can change it. This one is a custom series. I will tell you. Okay, where we can change the, okay, dotted line, array, thick line. 2019 data labels, either you 2019 I don't want a data labels, you can turn off it. Just I want a line. When I mouse over only I want to see the numbers. Most of the times this kind of requirement they will ask it. Okay, so here we have a custom series. Okay, one I want to decimal places, another one I don't want a decimal places. One I want in a thousands, other one I don't want in a thousands kind of thing. Okay, so however you want it, we can change it. Okay, we have a custom series. Okay, so if we have a 3 lines, one line I want to display the values, another line I don't want to be values. So here we have a data labels option. Here we can adjust it however you want it. This is a data labels option. Now we have a shapes option. Okay, however the thickness of your lines. Okay, so if you are a more thickness or we have a smaller lines, okay, the stroke of the, okay, stroke width, okay, however you want it. I have a very small lines, so you can go like this. The join type, okay, milter, okay, if you join kind of thing, the say, okay, wherever it will be joined, okay, the shapes will become, okay, line style, whatever you want it. Okay, line style in the sense, okay, all the, okay, if you change to dashed line, all the lines will come as a dashed line. Okay, or solid line, all the lines I want to come say solid line, or we have a dotted line. Okay, either a dots, or if you want a, let me increase the width. Okay, here you want a dashed line or a dotted line, or if you want a, okay, solid line kind of thing. Okay, show marker. Okay, wherever the points I want it. This is a show marker. The marker, what kind of style you want it. Okay, we have a different styles over here, either into cross mark or a any kind of, okay, the however you want the markers. Okay, so what the symbols you want it, you can change it from this one. Okay, we have a shapes. Okay, marker symbol over here. The marker size also, either if you want a small size or a bigger size. Okay, either you want it, we can use it. Okay, the marker color you want it. Okay, what are the marker color you want it, you can change. Okay, as per your requirement. Okay, the marker colors will be changed. Okay, however you want it. Then we have a step layout kind of thing. Okay, so the same line. Okay, either you want a normal line, this we have a stepped property. Stepped in the sense same kind of step. Okay, we have a steps, right? Same kind of thing. Okay, just it will be comes down, then it will be, okay, what are the value we have, it is step kind of thing. If you want a different look and feel, you can go for a step, or if you want a normal, you can go ahead for a normal, or if you want a step, we can go for a stepped property. This is stepped, we have different look and feel. Okay, same it will comes as a stepped property kind of thing. Okay, then we have a customized series. Okay, data labels also we have a customized series. Here also we have a customized series. As of now, 3 lines I have a dotted line. I don't want all the 3 lines in a dotted line. Okay, 2020 is the current, okay, okay, running year. So I want customized series over here. 2020 I want in a thick line. Remaining years I want in a dotted line. Okay, here we have a, here we can select it, which one you want it. Okay, so 2020 I want it. Okay, the style is nothing but a solid line I want it. Okay, wherever I have a 2020, I want it. Okay, the solid line. Remaining things I want a dotted line. This is what we have a customized series. The property will be remain same. Okay, yes, what are the properties we have discussed as this one I want a step, remaining I want a normal. Okay, however you want it, we can adjust it. Okay, the properties from a custom series. Okay, most of the times we can see it over here. Okay, however you want it. Okay, so one line, dotted line, remaining lines, okay, dashed line kind of thing. However you want it, we can change it from here. This is a custom series. This is a important property. All the places we have this property. Okay, anywhere it will be remain same as usual. This is a custom series, guys. If you have any questions, you can go ahead. Okay, these are important properties over here. All the things. Okay, step property, marker color, okay, marker size, what kind of marker shape you want it. Okay, okay, either if you want a mark, don't want it to marker, you can remove that one. Okay, so if you want it, what is the line style, what is the kind of thing, we can change it the custom series. If you don't want a custom series, all will be remain same as usual. I want the custom series. Okay, different line, or if you want a different kind of style, you can go with a custom series. This is what we have a marker. Okay, the shapes option, here we have a that, yeah, okay, flat area we don't have any property, transparency, and okay, if we can add a image for your flat area, you can add a image for your thing. Okay, this is what we have a important thing is a custom series. In a above place we have a concatenate labels. Okay, this thing we have a important property in a real-time cases. Remaining all are cosmetic properties only. Okay, line color, font color, okay, font size, okay, all the things. If you have any questions, you can go ahead, guys. We'll jump to, okay, remaining visualizations and all. Sheshadri, you are asking something. Okay, if you have any questions, okay, if it's a technical thing in the sense, you can ask over here itself. Okay, that will be helpful for remaining guys as well. Okay, you can unmute and you can ask what are the question you wanted. Okay, you ping me the.
Actually, the whatever the values in horizontal, how to convert the what are the values in vertical? How to convert the horizontally?
In this one,
Not here. The market,
previous one, right?
the previous one.
Yeah. Okay. What you have to change to different one, right? Okay.
Not here. The whatever the task you are giving to us, na, in that capital marketing, there actually.
Okay. Capital market. Okay. Yeah. You are talking about the slicer values, right? The month names are horizontal, right?
Yes, yes. Month and year also actually.
Yeah. 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 You have joined on a okay. We have discussed in one day, one class. Okay. In the starting class, we have discussed when we have start the visualizations. Okay, maybe fourth class or fifth class, we have discussed the same thing. That's what I asked you guys to do. Okay, go through the videos and do a practice. Okay.
Even I was checking around six up to six videos. There is no
No, no,
conversion
no. We
vertical
have
to
discussed
horizontally.
the same property. As a slicer, by default, it will come or okay, list or a drop down. I don't want that. Okay, I want to display all the values in a horizontal kind of thing. Go to the okay, select the slicer. Okay, go to the properties. In a general, we have that property. Okay, remaining not the places. Okay, these are yeah, that property they have in a general. I want the horizontal orientation horizontal. Okay.
Okay.
Now, what are the country you can select it based on that? Okay, the remaining values will be filtered. There, okay, the country names and the not the country year and a month names they have displayed in a horizontal. Okay, that is a slicer only. Okay, in a okay, in a general we have that property horizontal or a vertical. Okay, this property we
And
have
one more
discussed in
doubt.
our class. This property we have discussed. Okay, at that first class of the visualizations we have discussed. Okay, here we have discussed the vertical or a horizontal, however you want it. Okay, that's it,
One more
right?
doubt. Yeah.
Sorry.
Shall I got it? Yeah.
Okay,
One
fine.
more doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Actually, you are calculating as a percentages, but that percentage column is not existent into the field level.
It's not. What are the columns? Okay, these are not a measures. The measures you can't see at a column level. The measure will be calculated at the time of usage. Only a column in the sense, column will be calculated at each and every row level. Measure in the sense, it's a aggregated value or a sum of the value. When you use at a visual level, then only you can see. At the time of usage, the formula will be calculated and it will display the value. You can't see at a table level. It's a measure, it's not a column. That is the main difference between a column and a measure. Okay, column and a yes, column and a measure. Column in the sense every row level. I have 100 rows. Each and every row level, my column, new column will be calculated, or a calculated column will be calculated at each and every row level. Measure in the sense it's a aggregated value. You can't set a table level at the time of usage. That means if I use it over here, it will be calculated. If I use it, okay, card level, that time it will be evaluate a formula and it will display the value. Okay, you can't set anywhere the values over here. Just at the time of usage only we can see the value. Okay.
యాక్చువల్గా మీరు విజువల్ యూస్ చేసిన ఫీల్డ్స్ ఇక్కడ ఫీల్డ్ లెవెల్లో ఐడెంటిఫై చేయలేకపోతున్నాను అన్న యాక్చువల్గా
ఎందుకు అవుదా ఇక్కడ మౌస్ ఓవర్ చేయండి, ఇక్కడ అవుతుంది కదా.
ద పర్సంటేజ్ కానీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసిన కాలమ్స్ ఇక్కడ మామూలుగా అగ్రిగేట్ అయినా కానీ
When you
లేదంటే
click on this, okay, the formula will come over here. What is the formula over here? It is a measure. The calculator symbol in the sense it's a measure. Fx in the sense it's a calculated column. When you click on this, it will be show it over here. If you select okay, if you click on a product category, you can't see. That means the column is coming from the data source. Okay, there is no formula for that. This is a fx. That means it's a calculated column. When I click on this, how they are calculating, I can see the formula over here. If you click on a product category, there is no formula for this. Directly it is coming from the data source. Okay. Only you can see For a calculated column and a calculated measure only, we can see the formula how they were calculating. If the data is coming from a directly data source, there is no meaning to see the formula. That is a direct value. That's what we call it as a calculated column. That means we are calculating over here. This is a measure. We are calculating over here. Calculated measure, calculated column. Okay, this is a marital status, direct value from the database side. Okay, so we can't see anything. Okay, a month is a calculated column. So it is coming from, I can able to see the what is the formula over here. That's what we have a different symbols over here. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, Shadri, you have any questions, you can go ahead. No issue at all.
I will share this.
Yeah, maybe you can share the screen. Let's see what's your problem. Yeah, let me stop this here. Yeah, now you can go with the middle option. Okay, share option. Okay, Jen, you can select a share. Simply select middle option, share screen, then click on share. Sheshadri, you are in mute. Hello.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah. I'm able to see. You can go to your, yeah, I'm able, yeah. Take.
No, actually my laptop got stuck now.
Okay. You can open any other page or something. Actually, Power BI will be hang your system. Well, the reason behind is, it will uses your, Vertipack engineer in memory. In memory in the sense, when you open the Power BI report, all the data will be dumped into your RAM. Okay, that's what the reason. Okay, while working with the Power BI, if it is less than 2 GB or something, it's very hectic to work with the Power BI. Okay, sometimes if the less data in the sense it's fine. Most of the times the Power BI, sometimes they will ask it, what kind of technology it is a Vertipack engine. That means when you open the report, in the sense the data will be dumped into your RAM memory. Okay, there it will be stored. Then it will be process your data and all. Okay, now you can, I hope it's got open. Maybe you can try to open it. Okay, meantime, let me continue the class. Okay, when it will be open, then we will see your problem.
After the class, I can share it now.
Yeah, fine.
Give a few minutes.
Okay. We are discussing line chart. Okay, same thing. Okay, this one also it will be remain same, just different look and feel. If you go with the properties, the properties will be remain same as usual. Okay, the name, just look and feel. This one also same thing. Okay, area chart. This is also same thing. Okay, the area will be highlight however you want it. Okay, somewhere you can, the colors. You can change it. Okay, this is also will be remain same as usual. Okay, no need to discuss unnecessarily all the times. Okay, all the properties will be remain same. Just we have a different look and feel, stacked area chart. Okay, or area, area chart. Okay, kind of thing. It will be remain same. Then we have a this one. Okay, we have a stacked. Okay, line chart. Okay, and we have a bar chart. Same kind of, here we have two things, right? Okay, line and a stacked column chart. That means all the measures in a single bar, then line will come. Here we have a different, okay, measures in a different bar, and we have a line chart. Okay, let me this one. Okay, ribbon chart also same kind of thing. Here also the same line graph only. It will comes in a different look and feel kind of thing. This one also ribbon chart will remain same as usual. Okay, now we will discuss this one. Okay, let me go over here. Here I have a total sales. Okay, yearly wise I want it. Okay, so all the thing it will come. Then I want a profit in a line value. Okay, profit in a line value. Okay, remaining things yearly wise I want the total sales amount, so it will comes in a single bar. All the year 18 what is the sales, 19 what is the sales, 20 what is the sales. Profit I want in a line chart, or if you want a standard cost in a line chart, you can go ahead like this. Okay, I don't want, let me complete this. Okay, this is what I have a percentage, so you can say when I'm getting two, we have okay. Okay, two scales. Okay, one is a first axis, secondary axis. Earlier we have seen, sorry. Okay, earlier we have seen, okay, secondary axis, first axis like this. We have a line, and this one we have a first axis, secondary axis. Okay, this is what we have a stacked, okay, line and a stacked bar chart. Okay, so here the values will come in a, okay, yearly wise sales, then I want a profit in a line, okay, line value. Or if we change to this, okay, every year individual values, then I will come in a, okay, the profit will comes in a line graph like this. This is what we have a, okay, what is the profit? Okay, like this it will come. Okay, so we can use it whatever you want it. Okay, or if you don't want it yearly wise, just I want a total sales amount, then I want the profit. Okay, like this yearly wise, what is the profit we have? Okay, it will become. Or if you want it, okay, yearly wise I want a split. Okay, we can use in a year in a column series. Okay, so yearly wise, what is the sales? So United States, what is the 18 sales? Okay, 19 sales, and we have, then we have a profit kind of thing. So it will comes, okay, the line value will come in a, okay, like this. Let me remove and yeah. Okay, so it will comes like this. The properties will be remain same as usual. Okay, so same properties, x-axis, y-axis, dooms. Okay, zoom slider. Okay, data colors, data labels, shapes kind of thing. Okay, everything will becomes as usual. Okay, so if we have a more than one line also, we have a, under the shapes we get, okay, custom series kind of properties and all. What is the line width, line stroke kind of thing. All the property just now we have discussed. Okay, joint type. Okay, show marker type. Okay, if you want a stepped property for your, okay, line series, okay, however you want it, it will becomes as usual. Okay, this is what we have a, okay, okay, any kind of visuals. Okay, visuals is not the important concept. Okay, just you have to remember at least the 10 visualizations for as part of interview point of time. Okay, it's a interview point of time, just you have to remember 10 visual names. Apart from that, no one will ask it about any of the properties. We have a n number of important concepts, okay, that we have to see it. Okay, tomorrow onwards important concepts will be comes. Okay, visual, okay, using creating the visuals is not a thing at all. Okay, drag and drop anyone can do, but what are the remaining topics we have? Like we have a bookmark, slicer kind of thing. Creating a measures, creating columns is the most important thing, and we have a n number of concepts we have that we will discuss. Okay, so creating the visualization, drag and drop, anyone can do. Even though that guy don't know anything, that guy can use it. Okay, what are the visual they wanted, but understanding the data is the most important thing. Maintaining relationship between the tables, how they will be worked out. Okay, already we have discussed. Okay, what is the cardinality, that's the important thing. Okay, one more concept is there, cross filter direction, maybe tomorrow that we will see. Okay, this is what we have with visualizations, guys. Okay, so we can use it, what are the visual you want it. Okay, apply a properties. Okay, if you want a combo line chart kind of thing, or if you want a stacked bar chart kind of thing, what are the visual you want it, we can use it as for the requirement. Properties will be remain same as usual. All the properties everywhere, the properties will be remain same as usual. Now we will discuss one of the property. Okay, the custom tooltip is there. Tooltip in the sense, let me use it. Country name wise, I want to be display like sales amount. Okay, we have a tooltip option. Okay, when I mouse over, automatically the tooltip is coming. Australia, what is the sales kind of thing? The background color is there, right? Black. Is there any chance to change that color? Sometimes user, okay, the customer will ask kind of thing. The black color, I don't like it. Can you please change that color? Okay, go to the tooltip. Okay, everywhere the property will be remain same. Okay, if you want it, we can go with a tooltip option. If we expand it, here we have that kind of properties over here. What kind of type? Okay, so I told you that it is a default, it's not a report page. Okay, I will tell you that what is the this property report page or a default. What is the label color? Go with the default label color. Okay, I want a different color kind of thing. Okay, the background color also. Okay, we can change it. This is a label. The country name total sales is a label. Value in the sense Australia is a value, sales amount is a value. Okay, so the value color I want in a different color. Let me go with a green or something. That one also you can change it. Okay, then the background color we can change it. What is the text size? Okay, with the text size text family we can change it. Okay, then we can change a background color. Okay, it is a very black. I don't. Okay, I don't feel okay. Look and feel. I want in a like this. Okay. So what is the color you want it? We can change the colors. Okay. However you want it. Let me change that yellow to different color. Let me go with a thick yellow. Okay. So we can change it. The colors we can change it. This is a tooltip option. What is a custom tooltip? Okay. Background color. Okay. Transparent. These are the properties we have. We don't have any other properties over here. This is a tooltip option. Okay. Just okay, 2 days back I gave one of the interview. What are the okay concepts we have discussed? Same thing they have asked in an interview point of view as well. Already we have discussed custom sorting, right? Okay, custom sorting, sort to by or a custom sorting. The terminology is a custom sorting. Same question they asked. What is a custom sorting? I told you same concept. Okay, by default Power will be display data in a either alphabetical ascending order or a descending order. But I want it. Okay, the month names, calendar month name wise I want to be display. So I created a column. Okay, month number. Then I use a custom. Okay, sort by. Okay, month number. So my month will comes under okay alphabetical order January to December. Same concept. What are the concepts we have discussed? Interview point of view, the same question they asked. What is a custom sorting? This is sort by option. Okay, now we have a custom tooltip. Custom tooltip in the sense by default it is coming like this. When I mouse over, I want to display other visual. Okay, there I want to display profit. Okay, country wise profit I want. When I mouse over, country wise sales is coming. Okay, let me enable a data label. Okay, data labels is there. I don't want a tooltip once again. Okay, anyhow, it is a 9.3 million. Why again I want a tooltip? When I mouse over, I want to be display total profit. Okay, profit in the sense we have seen. Either we can use a as part of a tooltip, we can display your profit, for example. Okay, what is the profit percentage for a country wise? When you mouse over, profit also coming. Okay, I don't want like this. I want a different page. I want a different visual. I want to be loaded. Okay, go ahead over here. I'm going to a separate page. Okay, this is a custom tooltip. First, page property, we can change it. Page information. This property I didn't discuss. Go for a tooltip. Okay, that time I skip this property. Okay, this is a tooltip option. Now let me change page size. I don't want the bigger size. Let me decrease the page size to tooltip. Okay, either a tooltip or you can increase. Okay, make it a smaller size. Okay, any size you can take it. Okay, let me go for, okay, for example, let me take a card. In the card, I'm going for a profit option. Okay, so it is 75% profit. Okay, this is the visual I want to be displayed when I mouse over here. Comes to this page. Okay, go for a visualization. Select that visual. Go for a tooltip. Go for a tooltip. Okay, here we have a default option is coming. Now I want it report page. Another page I want to be display as a tooltip. What are the page level you have changed the property? Okay, in this page only I make it as a tooltip option. The not a page size, the page information. What are the tooltip? That's what the page is coming over here. Why only I'm able to see page 9 only in the sense. Okay, when I mouse, okay, when I select this, okay, if I go for a tooltip, I'm able to see only a page 9. Why? Because the page level property I changed to tooltip, not a page size. Page size will be anything. Okay. The property I changed to tooltip, that's what the page 9 is coming. Okay. So page 9, fine. When I mouse over, you can see it takes some time to display. Another report is loading. Okay. Country wise, overall percentage is 72 points or something is there. Whatever the country wise we can see. Okay. Another page is coming over here. Another visual is coming. This is a custom tooltip option is there. Okay. This is what about a custom tooltip. Okay. If you want to, okay. If you want to, okay, different visual. Okay. So we want a, okay, you have to enable that property page level. You have to change your tooltip option. Then you can add any whatever the visuals you want it. Any one visual or a multiple visuals you can add it. So based here I have a 75%. So when I mouse over here, based on that particular country wise, the value will be split. Okay, as per that country wise, okay, it will be split. This is a custom tooltip. Okay, I can make a different page as a tooltip. That particular page property you have to change to tooltip. Let me go over here, make it a this property to tooltip option, enable a tooltip, comes to the 6th page, select this visual. Now I want a tooltip. Okay, now if we go for the report page, okay, now I can able to see 2 pages. Why? Because these 2 page level I made a property change to tooltip option, not at okay. Page size also tooltip is there. That means it is a small size. That is a one of the page size it is. Okay, size it not a matter. Okay, just the property has to make it as a tooltip option. Now I have a 4 page. Entire page will come. Okay, it will becomes a don't. It will use look and feel. Okay, why? Because entire page you can make it. Reduce the size, make a proper visualization, then you can use it. Okay, there is no use of entire page in the sense I can't. Okay, the space itself it won't be accommodated. Okay, now you can see when I mouse over United Kingdom, only United Kingdom is showing. If it is Australia, the other page also it is filtering as per your mouse over. Okay, only Australia values are coming like this. Okay, maybe the size you can reduce it. Okay, I want to be, that's what I the okay in the 9th page. So the page size I have reduced to small. Now it will look and feel is very better. This is what we have a custom tooltip. Normal tooltip, when I mouse over, we can change the values. Okay, what are the values you want to see it? We can do that. Apart from that, other visual also. In one of my okay requirement also, we did a same kind of thing. Okay, in one of my report, okay, they asked me to display other value also. I told that it's not possible. So I make it as an alternative way. Another visual will be displayed over here like this. This is a custom tooltip. Now we will discuss one property we have skipped from long back. That is a visual level header. Okay, visual level headers. Let me add state over here. State name also into the over here. Okay, we have a drill down, drill through kind of thing, right? Okay, slow. Everywhere we have a visual header property, but that property some cases it will be useful, some cases it won't be okay useful. What is the background color of my okay that one? Okay, this is nothing but a visual headers. Okay, this colors also you can change it. This is a visual header. What is the border color? What is the transparency kind of thing? Okay, so we can adjust it, the colors like this. I want a different color. The icon color. Okay, the background color it will be one thing. The icon color is a one thing. Okay, if you want a different icon color, you can go ahead. Okay, then visual level information icon. Okay, so if you don't want it, you can adjust it. Okay, warning icon. We don't have any warning icon. Okay, error icon. Drill down, drill up. Okay, if you don't want it, drill down, okay. If you have it drill down, drill through, then only it will come. If you don't want it, you can turn off a turn on. In a Power BI service level, those icons won't be visible. Okay, so this okay, even though turn off, okay, the value should be showing. Okay, expand next level. Okay, if you don't want it, we can disable. User don't want to be expanded, so we expand to next. These are coming. Okay, drill down. Okay, drill up, drill down. Okay, go to next level, expand. Okay, these are options. Okay, we don't have pin icon option. Okay, I will show you this pin icon. We have a focus mode. This is a focus mode. Okay, so enter visual. Okay, it will be displayed. If we have a multiple visuals also, it will comes like this. This is a focus option. I want to see in a focus mode. Okay, so this is a focus mode. Okay, if you want it, we can turn on and a turn off kind of thing. Okay, what are the icon we have turn off? That option won't be visible in a Power BI service level. Already we have seen how we can publish your report into service level. Okay, these are not important. Okay, see data in a layout icon. Okay, more icon option. This is a more icon option. Okay, if you want it. Okay, if you want this option or if you don't want it. Okay, this one we can majorly use it. Okay, sort by country name or ascending or descending. Okay, if you want to remove in the sense we can remove it. Okay, so as a table. Okay, we can see values as a table also. Okay, table wise also we can see the what are the values we have seen. Okay, we can see it your values in a table level option. Okay, so this option if you want it or not it, more icon option we can remove it. Okay, so just a turn on turn off buttons only. Okay, we don't have any. Okay, visual header tooltip icon. Okay, here we have a tooltip icon. When I mouse over, I want to be display some information about my visual. Okay, here we don't have any header tooltip icon. Filter icon, this is a filter icon. Okay, if you want it we can add it, otherwise if you don't want it we can remove kind of thing. This is what we have a visual level headers. Okay, just we have a background color, font color, then all are a turn on turn off buttons only. Either if you want a drill down drill up icons or a expand next level kind of thing. Okay, more level icon option, what are the thing if you want it. Okay, we can enable. Okay, whatever the information you want it, you can add it. Okay, this is what background color to the font color we can change it. Okay, this is what we have a visual level headers. This is a common for all the cases. Okay, same property each and everywhere we have. This is a visual level headers. Okay, let me show you visual header tooltip. I have enabled. 1 second. Okay, visual level information icon I have enabled. So that's what. Okay, one extra property will comes on down. Okay, we have a multiple properties. Okay, visual header tooltip, one more new property will come. Okay, here. Okay, when I mouse over here, I want to display something. What kind of visual it is? Okay, let me remove that hierarchy. Okay, so I want to user when I mouse over, what kind of visual it is. Okay, what the information I want to give some note to the user. That's what I can enable visual level information icon. Okay, so we have a go to the visual level headers. Okay, that is the important property. Remaining properties are not a useful. Turn on turn off buttons only. For this one, you can enable visual header. Okay, visual header. Go over here. Okay, then if you turn off this in the sense visual level information. Okay, if you turn off this, okay, the below property won't come. When you turn on this, okay, then only another property will come over here. Okay, visual level tooltip header tooltip is there. Okay, here when I mouse over here, I want a different information over here. Okay, so here I want to display something like this displays country sales for current year, something I want to give some information to the user. So this is a information icon. When I mouse over, what is the text I'm displaying over here? So I want to give some information. That is a question mark symbol in the sense I want to give some note to the user. That's what we have a okay, some information to the user. Okay, so this is what we have a visual level information icon. Okay, visual header information icon. We can add it this option. Okay, this is how we have a important property. Okay, maybe sometimes okay, user wants to okay, I give some note to the user. Okay, we have a visual header tooltip. This won't come by default. Okay, when it will be comes in the sense we have some okay visual header tooltip icon. If you remove this, that will be goes off. Okay, below that property won't become. Okay, before okay under this we have that property that won't become. Okay, when you now we can say I can able to see only of the visual header property only. When you go over here, when you open that property, after that okay the below that we have the extra okay property will come. Okay, visual header tooltip icon. When you mouse over this, then the below property will the header visual header tooltip the option. Then only you can able to see this option. You have to enable this. Then only this property will come. Okay. Now, what are the information you want to be displayed over here? Okay, then what any text you can type it over here. The text size, font size will be remain same as is. Okay, background color, transparency and all. So sometimes they will ask it. Okay, when I mouse, so okay, so I want to give some information about my visual, so we can give this information to that. Okay, this is what we have a visual level information icon. Okay, the colors, okay, turn on, turn off buttons everywhere. Okay, that's a common thing. Wherever you want it, you can turn on, turn off it. Okay, but okay, if you want some information to the user, we can add some information about your visual. Okay, so just I want to give a keynote, okay, to the user, so we can add a information icon for a visual. Okay, this properties will be common for all the visual, any kind of visual. This properties will be remain same as it is. Okay, this is what about a visual level header. Okay, visual level header properties, guys. If you have any questions, you can go ahead. Okay, that's it, guys, for today. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, 3 or more visuals are left. Okay, that we will discuss. Then we will see custom visualizations. Then we'll stop the visualizations. Okay, creating the visualizations, it's a very simple thing. Okay, remaining things we will discuss. Okay, that we will discuss. Okay, insert option we want to be discuss few more properties over here. Okay, that we will discuss tomorrow. Have any questions, you can go ahead. Okay, no need to worry. Okay.